There is a quiet misunderstanding in the modern world that attraction is created by saying the right things, acting confident on the surface, or performing a version of yourself that is designed to be approved. The Stoics would see this as weakness disguised as strategy. We do not become desirable by seeking to be desired. We become desirable by mastering ourselves. This is where the real work begins. 1. Detachment is magnetic. Nothing drains attraction faster than emotional neediness, the hunger to be validated, chosen, or completed by someone else. The Stoic mind rejects this dependency at its root. As Epictetus taught, if you want to be invincible, make sure nothing outside your will can disturb you. A man who is not ruled by desire does not suppress it. He transcends it. He enjoys connection without clinging. He appreciates beauty without begging for it. This emotional self-sufficiency creates a silent gravity. People feel it immediately, even if they can't explain it. When we stop needing approval, we stop leaking insecurity, and insecurity is what repels long before words ever do. 2. Inner order creates outer authority. Marcus Aurelius wrote his Meditations not to impress anyone, but to govern himself. That inner governance is what creates presence. When a man has order within his thoughts, discipline in his habits, and control over his impulses, his body language changes. His voice slows, his reactions soften, his silence gains weight. This is not dominance, it is composure. Women, like all humans, are drawn to stability, not loud confidence, but quiet certainty. The kind that does not argue, over-explain, or perform. The kind that stands firm without resistance. We do not posture, we are. 3. Self-respect sets the terms. A Stoic does not overextend himself to be liked. He does not tolerate disrespect out of fear of loss. He knows, as Seneca wrote, "He who has learned how to die has unlearned how to be a slave." When we are willing to walk away from what diminishes us, we signal something rare: self-respect. This alone reshapes every interaction. Boundaries are not spoken, they are felt. Paradoxically, the moment we stop trying to hold on is the moment others begin to lean in. Not because we manipulate, but because we cannot be controlled. 4. Emotional mastery outshines emotional display. The modern world encourages emotional exposure without emotional discipline. Stoicism teaches the opposite: feel deeply but respond deliberately. A man who can face rejection without bitterness, who can face attraction without losing balance, who can face uncertainty without anxiety, is a man few encounter and many remember. Marcus Aurelius warned, "The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury." Applied here, the greatest power is to remain centered when emotions try to pull you apart. Calm under pressure is not learned in conversations. It is forged in solitude. 5. Purpose is the ultimate attractor. A Stoic man does not organize his life around romance. He organizes his life around meaning, duty, craft, self-mastery, contribution. And this is the final truth most people never hear. When a man has a direction, he stops orbiting others, and others begin to notice his path. We do not chase connection. We build a life that makes room for it. Stoicism does not teach how to make someone want you. It teaches how to become someone who does not need to ask. Attraction, when it comes, arrives as a byproduct, not a goal. And if it does not come, we remain whole. That is the paradoxical strength the Stoics understood centuries ago. When nothing controls you, not fear, not desire, not approval, you become quietly irresistible. We walk this path not to conquer others, but to master ourselves. And in that mastery, everything else either aligns or becomes unnecessary. If this message resonated with you, don't let it end here. Subscribe to the channel and walk this path with us, a path of discipline, clarity, and inner strength. We don't chase noise, we build silence into power. New videos every week for those who choose self-control over chaos. Stay grounded, stay sovereign, and remember, the strongest men are built in quiet moments.